Ooh, how do I look today? Do I look much closer to how our forefathers before that, before evolution of mankind, according to Darwin? Do I look closer to our four-legged friends from millions and millions and millions of years ago? It took millions and millions and millions and millions of years to get rid of this look. Yet, we didn't ask you to get rid of your intelligence that is built into every human being as an evolved, neurologically developed, most advanced and sophisticated mechanism that exists on the planet. Yet, what we have done is we shaved and cleaned ourselves. But it seems we've gone back in time, back beyond the caveman's time. But what is the caveman's time? All we have done is improved a little bit, nothing new. From how we were to what we were, by simply turning the world to an uninhabitable place. Why do we do that? And then we put human beings into boxes, apartments, studio apartments, tower blocks, homes, and with climatic control temperatures and comforts and conveniences, all the gadgetry and all the advances, how our ancestors used to live. And yet, today, with a simple challenge facing humanity, we are unable to be conscious and responsible. My understanding of being civilized in society is that we are conducting our lives consciously and responsibly. Yet, our consciousness and our gentle nature about life has completely ignored and forgotten about. And we are going on about making complaints. We've made up names: stress, distress, anxiety, abuse. All of these have come about for individuals to make excuses to depend on others, or to selfishly destroy the lives of conscious human beings. If you really wish to know life in the most profound and responsible way, be sincere and honest as to what your intentions are in your head. Freedom without responsibility and sincere and conscious way of living will cause a tremendous hardship, tremendous problems to children, to people around you. So-called friends are meant to embrace the beauty of family and friends and the exuberance of life. Instead, they wish to see the breakdown of all of that. To my understanding, people who see life this way is terribly, has a background of experience, the way they've been brought up, how they relate their life to in their past. And to me, life means that we embrace every life the way it is and promote well-being, health, and make life thrive around us.